In this video, I'll show you the process of how to paint this cute lamb painting in acrylic paints. It's a lot easier than it looks, so it's perfect for artists at any stage. If you want to learn exactly how to create this painting, check out the full step-by-step tutorial over on my Patreon, where I go into more detail with extra tips. I'll add the link into the description for you. Hi, I'm Rachel. I create colourful paintings and I make tutorials so that you can learn how to paint them too. I wanted to use a pastel colour palette for this painting as I thought it would work perfectly with the spring theme, so I started out by painting a powder blue background onto the canvas. Then I started to paint the lamb's wool, which I built up in layers, starting with the shadows and then building up the midtones and highlights. Painting wool can be a bit daunting as it's curly and textured, but this is by far the easiest way to do it. It's a very similar technique to my how to paint curly fur video, so I'll add a link to that for you as it should be really helpful. Once you have painted the shadows, you can use your paintbrush to add the midtones in random curved brush strokes, making sure you leave some of the shadows showing underneath. This adds so much depth and makes the wool look extra fluffy and three-dimensional. We'll then use the same technique with the lighter shades of paint and finally white paint to add the highlights and increase the contrast. Just make sure that each time you are leaving some of the previous shades of paint showing through. We'll use this technique throughout the painting, whether we're painting the shorter, straighter wool on the lamb's face or the curly tuft of wool on top of his head. Once you get the hang of it, it's a really simple technique that can really improve your animal paintings. It also takes a lot less time than you would think. The whole full-length tutorial for this painting is only 2 hours long, and it's in real time from blank canvas to finished painting. I also include the reference photos and line drawings to make the process as simple and fun as possible for you. Using pastel colours for this painting is a great way to make the lamb nice and colourful without the colours looking too random or out of place. If you've seen any of my other animal art videos, you'll know that I love using colour to make them really fun and vibrant. I'll let you watch the rest of the painting process now. I hope you enjoy painting your own little lamb painting, and don't forget to like and subscribe to see more videos like this.